Namaste. Today we have a heart to heart conversation with Jashrekha Mehta. She is a very humble person. So when we ask her that how you do such beautiful work, how do you. Hello Payal. Hi, I'm happy that you are there. Need your inspiration because last week Payal Doshi was with us and there she is now online. She's also on Instagram. Thanks, Payal. Be there and ask some good questions to Jashrekha Ben. You know her very well. So, as I was saying, Payal, that she has so much talent in all different fields. Like she has a very good hand at painting, drawing. She is very good in craft. She is excellent in singing. She sings so well. She cooks so well. Not only she is a very good mother and wife, she is a businesswoman also. So thanks, Payal. She's a good personality to talk to. So I thought that after Payal, who is such a multi-talented person, I must have somebody to at least compete with Payal. And we want that more and more such people. Hello, Jaideep Bhai, you are there. Good. I'm sure everybody at Rajkot is well and hope to talk to you someday. So, as I was saying, that because of her multi talented personality, we have thought that today we will talk to her. You know, these kind of people, they are inspiration to society. When we talk to them, we know so many things about what they do in life, how they do such multitasking, even though they have to look after the family. You know, so there are so many aspects in life. So let's see. I have to see to it that she comes on, and once she joins us, we will talk to her. So by the time, let me tell you that Tulika Art Center, as I'm sure you know, that it's our art center, and we have very different courses to offer for children, for ladies, and for most adults. We have craft, we have art, we have painting, drawing, and this is how Payal, Jashrekha Ben, there are so many other students over the years they have been connected with Tulika Art Center. And once they come, I'm sure, like them, there are many others who feel at home at Tulika Art Center. It's not just an art center, it is something which goes into their personality. You know, they become part of it. And once they come back again and again. So, over the years of 38 years, I started Tulika Art Center in 1982 and now it is 2020. So, next after 2 years, we'll have 40 years of our art center. And children, adults, those who have come, now they have become mothers, like Payal. Payal came as a small child, then she got married. Now she has her daughter and son, and daughter is also very good in art. And yeah, Payal, thank you. It's Temple of Art. That's what you are saying. I'm I'm really happy that you and your daughter Kavya have been here to Tulika Art Center, and we look forward to Kavya joining us again during her vacation next year. And I guess we have to invite Jashrekha Ben. So let's see, we come and then we talk to her. So if Jashrekha Ben is there, you can hear me and join us. There she is. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste. Hello. How are you?
Can you hear me
I can.
properly?
I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. So I'm happy that you are here and Payal is there. So you can say hello to Payal.
Hello, Payal. And thank you so much, ma'am. In this lockdown period where everything is gloomy, I have at least few moments with you which will be very bright and I will cherish it lifelong.
Lovely. So I think we are using this lockdown to get connected, and there we have our Dr. Anjali Joshi. There she is also there. So you can say hello to her also, because she is very keen to see you, and she is very keen that you give good answers to her questions.
Hi, Dr. Anjali Ben Kemcho.
So I will have to switch off my this mobile, because sometimes I forget, and it happens so that it keeps on disturbing. So now, as I tell you, I have to talk about your journey. I have to talk about your art. I have to talk about, as I was telling friends who have joined, that Jasrekha Mehta is not just a good housewife, good mother, a good wife. She is a businesswoman also. Plus, she is very good in art, craft, painting, singing, cooking. So, how do you do this multitasking? And then also, you have very nice smile on your face.
Thank you
So, you
so
can
much.
tell us that how you started in your childhood first. What was your background? What was your family doing? Your childhood before marriage?
Before marriage, I have born in a joint family. We were 13 siblings. I can't say we were, thank God, all are dead.
Sibling, like your
Yes,
all brothers and
my
all.
cousins. Two uncle, two elder uncle, and dad. So we were 13 brother and sisters. We all have grown in one family, sharing each and every moments. There was nothing like if we are going to movie. In those years, there was ambassador car. So the first car, whichever was to leave, I will be in that car sitting in front seat, and all brothers and sister maybe to Regal Theatre or wherever, we all will go together, and people on a foot pavement will stand counting us how many are coming out of the car. So
How many are coming out of the car?
yes,
Indeed.
so that bringing up was very unique way. My uncle named me, my mother's maiden name was Jessie, and after marriage, she was named Rekha. So my uncle combined that and named me Jasrekha. And I think till today, it's a unique name.
It is indeed unique. And Jashreka means Yash,
Yes.
and you have Rekha of your Yash. So wherever you go, whichever family, it brings Yash, Jash. That way. So that is your name. And
Yes.
I think you have one Yash in your family.
Yes. I don't know. I was instrument to bring that with me. So, and I think you know my whole family. Each and everyone knows who Mitul Didi is.
Oh,
And
really?
yes, and what part you have in my life. You are not only a painting art teacher to me. Whenever we come, I think this goes with every student. Like earlier also I said, how many of them they have realized this, I don't know. But whenever we come to you, we meet you, definitely we learn something new, one new thing. At least I have learned with each and every meeting with you, and come home. So I've never come empty handed.
It's your love for me which speaks.
No, ma'am,
It can be.
you are definitely a very different person in my life who gives angle to positive angle to all situation, to all talk. You inspire me so much. You give me so much encouragement. Like I started writing at very young age. My first article was published in Stree magazine, Gujarati Stree
Oh,
magazine. You know about it, and
yes.
it was edited by one of the very good, very, I say, very beautiful soul, Mr. Anwar Agewan. He
Anwar
edited.
Ageban, of course I know.
Anwar uncle edited my article because we had a ad agency business, which is still there in the family. So he was to come to the office regularly. So he came to know and he edited my article and got it published. The topic was at that age, I think at the age of 14. The topic was Nari to Narayani.
Okay, lovely.
Yeah, so all positive sides. So I think that family was always encouraging me to do things, learn new things, and fortunately the family in which I have come, they are also very positive people. Whatever my ups and downs, whatever my plus and minuses, they have accepted me with both open arms. And now
So
you
nice.
are there. When I understand few of things and when maturity level is different at this age, you are there to every now and then mend it.
I again tell you, it's your love for me that you are talking like this. But maybe if I'm instrumental in doing something positive and good, I'm happy.
Yeah, so be there always.
I'll be there always.
I would like to share few things with you before you ask me something, that how much I believe yours and mine connection. Uh,
Okay.
I'm a disciple of Krishna and I was to go to Nathdwara since a very young age. At the age of 7 or 8, I went for the first time, and by His grace, that journey has not yet stopped because I have not yet met Him one to one. So that journey is going on, going there and trying to find Him. That all right. So when I was small and going there, they have a system. Every shop they play some music for their sale at the very loud volume. So I was there and listening this 3 days, listening this song repeatedly, and that song turned out to be Bapu's song. ऊपर
Oh,
वाला
which one?
पैसा फेंके नीचे चलते दाव कभी धूप कभी छाँव.
Oh,
Now also I have goose pimples, and I fell in love with so much with that song. I got that cassette recorded and I brought it home in Mumbai. At that time I was not knowing who Kavi Pradeep is. Then I came to know slowly when with Bollywood songs, my interest, everything, and old songs and all that I started liking, started listening on them. My children started, then I got married and I have 2 sons. So when they were small, carpool was just outside your house. So I will come there, wait for another car to pick them up, their friend's car. I will drop them there and they will go to the school at Bandra IVM. And every time I will sit and keep staring that Tulika art board and thinking that when I will, this is stories from 1992 onwards.
okay.
So when I'll be able to join this, what they must be teaching inside. I was not knowing you are teacher, you are going to be my teacher. I was not knowing anything. But that place kept attracting me. So nowadays on WhatsApp, we think that in life nothing is happening without purpose. So this is the purpose. Archana brought me to your class. I went to her house and I saw beautiful her art on her wall. And I said, Archana, where did you learn this? I would. He said, you don't know Tulika art classes, Mitul ma'am. I said, no, where is it? I said, oh, that I know. I want to go there. And that's how I came to you in 2006 or 7. I'm student of, we all siblings are student of Gokdibai school. Gokdibai Poonam Chand Pitambar. So from
Very
Rasraj,
old school.
yes. So from Rasraj, we were all walking and going to school, and from school we were coming home walking. So every time that Panchamrit we were crossing, but not knowing what is what. My brother Pinakin he remembers Bapu, how Bapu was looking, what Bapu was wearing. So all this connection, it has come alive for me through you, because I was to meet you. So my that Kavi Pradeep song, Upar wala pasa feke niche chalte dao, so true it is in life. we
So
don't
true,
know
so true.
we don't know anything. This games is played up, and Akbar was to play with that live pawn, but he was not knowing that we are pawn to someone else.
Such nice thing to know about this. I'm really, I have no words, but I'm feeling so good that years have gone and how Bapu's song got you connected indirectly to me. And
Yeah.
now today we are together.
Yes, so whoever is
So,
listening this, they will remember that it's not wrong. There is something, some reason why we are meeting someone, or why we are coming across some moments.
so good. So finally, Archana Ben got you in class, and there she is also with us on Instagram. You can say hello to her. And my cousin, yeah, say hello to Archana Ben.
Hello, Arshna. And because of you, I am with Didi.
And we have Nandita also.
Nandita,
Nandita,
I know, Nandita.
yeah,
Yes.
Nandita is Malay's sister, and Malay is your brother's friend, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes. And they are my mama's son and daughter, my sister and brother,
In
Malay and
in
Nandita.
in those years that this Hindu frame big building was not there. I remember getting afraid of that police choki and police sitting inside when I was to go to the school.
Yes, true. There was a police chowki. People
Yes.
used to say, "वो police chowki के बाजू का घर."
And
So that is what we have learned about, our all ancestors, our, how they used to keep houses, how they used to have, such small, small things used to matter. And you remember going to school from the same road.
all these years from 5th standard to 10th standard, every day,
Yes.
crossing Panchamrat and putting my bikes there, or taking my bikes from there.
Yes, yes, yes. So I would like to know now, since you joined, there is something going wrong with your connection. Is it okay? Jashreka Ben's connection is not proper. Can everybody see? Just give me feedback. Okay. Can you give me feedback, one of you, Archana Ben or Nandita or someone or Payal, whether her audio and video is okay or not? Because I cannot see her properly.
Yeah, Archana says yes.
It's okay? Yeah. All right.
When someone says it's blur, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. But now it's okay?
Can't
Can you
hear.
can you
Can't
can you
hear
be a little
her.
louder?
Network problem, they say.
Yeah, but now I feel you are okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay
yeah.
now.
I
Fine?
think someone cannot connect and someone says yes.
Okay. No, now it's fine. Okay, we get on with it.
Okay.
So what I'm saying that I forgot that you write also. When I mentioned sing and paint, but you write also. And I think before coming to that writing part, let us talk about your painting part. What did you do at Tulika Art Center? People would like to know, because you are now connected with me.
We have this is
What
for
did you learn?
all Mithul Mills student and lovers and whoever is listening to me. Fortunately, I have done huge paintings with ma'am. 4 by 5 feet, ma'am, that stained glass.
Yes, yes,
And before that, we did one mixed media, which has gone
yes,
to my
very big.
friend's place at Surat,
Yes,
which is in
yes,
our sitting room. And
yes.
so many paintings. And now this I'll just move this I learned at Tulika Art. Kalamkari.
This is lovely. Kalamkari.
This
That's
I
what you're
did,
showing behind?
yes, this I did coffee painting there. So many paintings.
Oh, show again, show again. This is lovely. My God, I don't even remember. You made such beautiful coffee painting at Tulika Art Center.
Yes, ma'am, and
Oh,
you
yes,
this.
yes.
And I learned Tanjore art with you because that multi mixed media had Tanjore, a bit of Tanjore also. Sticking gold.
Yes.
This is
This
that
is
the color.
beautiful.
And
Yes.
uh, uh, I did few of tote bags painted.
Okay.
This I did at the class you taught me,
Okay.
Kalamkari again.
Madhubani.
And
Yeah.
then this is I think Swiss Scandinavian painting.
One you made one this Scandinavian in the class.
Yes, and
Did
this
you?
I replicated this.
You did at home. Yeah, again you
Yes,
did it. Okay, fine,
this
great.
is another one. So I keep painting.
Be little slow. People can't see.
Okay.
Yeah, focuses nicely. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, nice. This is good. Very nice. Excellent. These are all bags.
Yes, these are all tote bags. Like you inspired me that if you want to give like Navratri, if you want to give your family members, you do something so that we don't use, we encourage them not to use plastics.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so this is still going on. Because almost 25 I have to paint, so I could not complete them.
Right. So you can do it over this year till lockdown is still there. Though it is not too much of lockdown, but we have to work at home. So you show me now. Oh yes, this is our mixed media with charcoal and acrylic painting.
Yes.
My God, you've done quite a lot. Good that I asked you to show.
And now so many there down ground floor on a wall. So I'm sorry I cannot show it. Everything.
Okay, okay. But I think you have done lot of paintings at Tulika Art Center,
Yes,
isn't
I
it?
did one beautiful mandala with your guidance for
Yes.
Parthiv new
It
house.
went to USA. Yeah.
Yes, we did one for Jay's graduation, one Om with all our holy symbols.
Yes.
So
That was
all
also very beautiful.
yes, all these are on walls. So unfortunately, I cannot get them and show it. But the
Right.
beautiful and the latest biggest one is that Radha Krishna stained glass, which I have put a posted picture. Uh, you, I, and our painting together.
Okay. So, but your Kalamkari I cannot see. Kalamkari, we had a very good workshop, isn't it?
Yes,
It
I
was
did.
it was our workshop Kalamkari where you did this, right?
Yes.
Anjali Ben, you have to join this, huh? When we have next workshop. Lovely, very nice, very well done. This I really liked your work.
Thank you.
That time only I told you.
Yeah, you gave me compliments that I have not seen any student doing kalamkari so well. And I was on top
Payal
of
is
the world.
yes. Payal is saying you did dot painting also with us.
Yes, dot mandala also we did. So much. We did impasto workshop.
Yes. Payal was also there in your same class for dot mandala, and impasto also you did, where I think that there were other students. You know them. So yeah. And what next? What was another? Anything more, or do you remember?
We did one neon colors, that one big cat,
Yes.
which
Neon
came
painting.
out, yeah, which Jai loved it. My son Jai loved it the most.
Yes. And what was your picture? It was a cat.
It was a cat. The front face close up of a cat with two beautiful eyes, glistening eyes.
Yes. So Archana Ben is saying she missed quite a lot. But now that we are online, we are doing online. So Archana Ben, now you cannot have any excuse of not to be with us online. So you you cannot say, okay, no, I'm here busy and this. We will take online class according to Archana Ben's time. So she cannot escape.
That yesterday you started online classes. This We did it yesterday.
Oh,
Coffee
oh
shades.
yes.
Like this is
Oh,
dark color coffee, and then it is gradually fading and coming to light yellow.
oh yes. This is
And
looking nice.
this with haldi and tea color.
Tea and haldi. Tea.
Yes.
See, this is what we have. This is something we have started online. Absolutely going natural with nature. Because now we have to see to it that nature has to bless us. And because of that, we are going absolutely on nature, environment, and absolutely going organic. So there are some classes which we will have more of this organic colors, something different.
And
So Kiran is there saying hello and wow auntie to us from Surat.
Surat, yes.
Yes,
uh,
yes,
Ma'am Archana has not only missed the classes, but you have, we are for we all are all your students are fortunate. Whoever wants to come and work with you during your big project, you always invite us. So our last year's project Navratri, where we all senior ladies painted sari of Jamini Roy or Bengal culture, and we gave tribute to the Bengal artist.
yes. And we
Uh,
performed also.
yes, we all did a catwalk at this age, and luckily we were successful. People appreciated.
and Payal was instrumental in starting that choreography,
Yes, yes.
which of course we could not have her same steps because she is so
It was
good and
it was
some of
difficult
us
to
could
match
not do.
steps.
Yes. But do you have that Jamini Roy sari to show me?
Yeah, I will show you. And earlier also, when you were doing those, I think how many 14 stained glass we did?
Yes, 14
Five,
stained glass big paintings.
6 by 4, I think. 6 feet tall
Yes,
and 4 feet wider. 14
yes.
stained glasses we did. All 9 roop of Ma,
Navdurga.
Navdurga, and Ganesh and Shivji. Shivji is still with you, which we
Yes,
see whenever we come to the class. So
yes,
you have always kept, like with you, I'm fortunate. You made me fortunate. We went for that paper mesh project.
yes.
2 schools. I was with
Ganpati.
you. We went to 2 schools,
Ye-
and then one was of the Rotaract at your class, at your home, where also I came. Peppermint
Yes.
Ganesh.
So most of the workshops of Ganesh, Paper Ganesh, you were with me.
Yes.
And we did for that Sacred Heart School. No, sorry, which Pupil Zone School. Sorry,
Pupil Zone, and on that Linking Road, one school is there, St. Lawrence.
Saint Lawrence.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. So we have, see, this is what it is, that you are our teacher, but not a teacher who will limit students' imagination or creativity. That's what I have, I'm most comfortable with you. Learning music, I have experience with some of the teacher that they want us to go in a very formed manner, that this is only it is. We cannot have our creation or our ideas. You don't limit us, you don't limit your students, you give us a free hand, and then if we make mistake, you are there to correct it in a positive manner. And you don't say that, oh, આવું તો કોઈ કરતું હોય. You never say that. You allow us to do, make mistakes, and then you are there to correct it in a nicer way. And you explain us that, like when I was doing stained glass, I remember, and you told me that, okay, you go and do Lord Shiva's hands. And I was not unaware. I did his fingers very straight. Till I
yes,
completed, you didn't utter a single word. You allowed me to do it. And then you brought it to my attention that, can you see, are they like lines? Or they have curves, they have phalanges. So
yes.
it's fun learning from you. Maybe so many things you don't know what I have taken it, grabbed from you. You don't know, but I remember so many moments like this. First time when I came and you used to tell me that, Jashreka Ben, take this much color. You call all your students Ben. So in spite of me saying no, you always called me like this
No,
only.
no. I don't call Payal Ben.
She is with you since a toddler age, so she is fortunate. Then I did something, and then you told me you are fit for a knife painting because I was having so much color in my brush.
Yes,
So these are you have
very
a
true.
unique way to repair our thinking where we go wrong. I
So,
we are very fortunate. I don't think how much I'll be able to show, but let me try. Can I? This is Dood.
oh, yes. Slowly you move it on your left and right. Slowly move it on your left and right, little away from camera.
Is this okay?
Yeah. Now move it left and move it later on little right. How lovely. This is your pallu.
Yes, Pallu. Gemini Roy.
Yes. Yes, Gemini Roy Pallu for Durga Puja. Especially we made saris for Durga Puja. And wearing these saris, the ladies like Jashreka Ben, then Anjali Joshi, then many others. And we all had this on stage program. It was a small, very nice small song, and we had, we can't say it's a catwalk, but of course we performed little on it. So it was wonderful, and everybody, whoever was there in this Durga Puja, like they are all big stalwarts, were sitting there. Very,
That
very big people from film industry.
that song was
And
Anand Dhara Bahi che Bhubane.
yes, it was so really, I tell you, it was a very divine feeling. So when we practiced also, absolutely divine. And I think hopefully lockdown gets over next year. This year we cannot perform. Next year we will do something else. And yeah. But I tell you one thing, when you told about the projects, so projects we had Ganpati also.
Yes, huge canvases.
Yes, we did for Sarvajanik Ganpati, and that was a big Sarvajanik Ganpati just across our street, and that is done by slum children, the youngsters and children of slums. So there is no question of their paying us, but all of you happily came and helped me to do the project. And so we had a very big team, and we helped doing nice canvases for consecutively 2 years. We had 2 years we did the Sarvajanik. This year, of course, we cannot do, because I don't think there'll be Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav in a big way this year. But yeah, we did it. So this is a project, very big project we had, right?
And with you going for, I don't know what to say, you will give me better words. Like we went to town where we met Mr. Snehal Mazumdar, and all those people had come and we sang Bapu's song.
Yes, you and I, just
Yes,
two of us.
yes.
And I think we were the best, I should say. Yeah,
Naturally,
they did not expect.
Bapu's daughter there, having ounce of Bapu within her, she has to be best. I was just behind you.
So you and I, we sang "दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल," and people never, they thought that okay, they will do something. And as we started, they were in attention, all of them. Mr. Mazumdar, Snehal Mazumdar, very big artist, and Shri B.A. Desai. Though B.A. Desai was very confident that we will do nice. So he was very happy. And yeah, it was a very big program on Gandhiji, and we sang there in front of all against stalwarts, big
I
people.
have one surprise for you on that.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Who is this? Oh, Nainesh Bhai.
Supposed to be the multifaceted person's husband.
See, you have a big role to play in what she's doing, you know, and it is because of you and your support. I always say that because of your support, Jashreka Ben can do so much. So we are thankful to you that you are pushing her to my class every time.
Yeah, that's
So
how I become so big, so I can push her, pull her, and
you
to give her a
remain
good
big.
support as well. That's a lovely, wonderful to see what you guys are doing. Appreciate what you guys are doing. Lovely.
I'm so happy that you are here and you are listening to us.
Absolutely.
We have something for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I mean, she told me that let's give her some, remember Kavi Pradeep Bapu, and then we said, okay, we'll make an effort to just sing few lines of Upar Gagan Vishal, Upar Gagan Vishal, Niche Gehra Patal, बीच में धरती वाह मेरे मालिक तूने किया कमाल, तूने किया कमाल, ऊपर गगन विशाल. एक फूंक से रच दिया तूने सूरज अगन का गोला, एक फूंक से रचा चंद्रमा लाखों सितारों का टोला, तूने रच दिया पवन जकोरा, ये पानी और ये शोला, ये बादल का उड़न खटोला, जिसे देख हमारा मन डोला. सोच सोच तू करे अचंभा, नजर ना आता एक भी खंभा, फिर भी ये आकाश खड़ा है, हुए करोड़ों साल मालिक तूने किया कमाल, तूने किया कमाल, ऊपर गगन विशाल. I leave you guys for this wonderful program and I'm keep listening. Wonderful. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent. And this surprise I will never forget in my life. You know, my eyes have tears, but yeah, I tell you, really, thank you so much, Nainesh Bhai. This is something that tribute you have given to my father. I can never forget.
No, thank you. And I think you guys are doing wonderful job. So I was standing for my, at least give me 2 minutes. I want to really do that. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. You guys are doing very
lovely,
good job,
lovely.
and please keep continue and bring the talent out of these beautiful girls.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Didi, like you said, tribute to Bapu. I don't think it's like that. It's like if we remember him and his creations and try to understand the deep down meaning, it's our luck. It's a luck of the people who are still living and who tries to understand what is what. Like, who else, how many poets have said के सूरज रे जलते रहना, जगत कल्याण की खातिर तू जन्मा है, ओ बदन तेरा मैला हो जाए सूरज रे जलते रहना. No one could understood the what even Surya must be, getting fried with his own heat. This is something very deep down. It's very deep down if we try to think. So I don't think one can give tribute to Bapu, but whoever understands his creations, those people are fortunate to understand it. This Upar wala pasa feke has gone into my thinking, in my blood. So whenever I try to tell my children that Shanti rakho badhu saru thai jase, Shriji Baba badhu karse, and sometimes they get irritable that badhu Shriji Baba karse, to what we will do. But we just have to follow our path of honesty, humbleness, and go further and further, and someone is there to move us.
Very true, very true.
So I don't agree. I'm sorry, I'm your student, but I can't agree that one can give tribute to Bapu. We can all enjoy his creations.
Now we have some more your friends also. Deena Ben is there, and Deena, your friend, plus Natkhat Rajesh Bhai. He's calling Natkhat Rajesh Bhai, but he's Rajesh Bhai. So welcome all of you. And Rekha Ben is on. Some people missed Nainesh Bhai singing, but later on it will be available on YouTube. Thanks to Payal, she will upload it.
Yeah.
So we will all be able to again see Nainesh Bhai singing and hear him. So now you are saying about writing. Now Bapu's writing, of course, there is no matlab, I tell you, today also Kavi Pradeep is remembered by all. In this Corona time also, his songs are there.
Yes.
Like Hazaro Mil Lambe Raste Tujhko Bulate.
For the migrants.
So
Yes.
It's for the migrants.
Yes.
And when Corona started, there was one song के आज हवाओं में भी जहर है, कब क्या होगा किसे खबर है, बंद है खिड़की बंद है द्वारे, बैठे हैं सब डर के मारे. This is also his song. So every situation, real life situation, Bapu's songs are there.
It's like.
But now I want to.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Will say like people, they say I haven't done this ever or felt that, but people, they say that if you are reading Bhagavad Gita and you open the page and whatever problem you are going through, that page, some solution you will get from this. Whereas Bapu's creations are like for every situation he has something. For love, for sympathy, empathy, whatever the philosophy of life, whichever chapter you take in your life, and you will see Kavi Pradeep there. This is what I feel. It's not because I'm in front of you and he is your father, but I told you I was not knowing who Kavi Pradeep is. Lekin Kabhi Dhoop, Kabhi Chhaon, it went at that age in my system. And then I started listening to his different songs and all that. And after that, the songs of Sambandh, they are so heart-touching. Though they are very like, people, they say that very sad or something, the moments, but very truthful. Whoever heart is going through, whoever is passing through a rough phase of life, he will get something from those songs. That how to move ahead.
True. So as we are talking about this writing, I want to know what you have been writing. And in, I think you have one cassette also, I mean CD also released, your audio CD.
No, not CD, just one song on YouTube.
Just one song on YouTube, okay?
Yeah, it's like we say Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha, 4 circles of life. So the whole philosophy is behind my writing, that particular one, is that we have to find him, we have to see him after all this. He is not in these circles, he is beyond. So try to see him there. You finish all your chores, whatever you are doing, whatever duties, maybe in day-to-day life from morning to evening, you can finish these 4 circles. And at night, when you are all alone by yourself, you can try to meet him somewhere.
So what you have written, can you tell me what is your, do you have your, can you remember what you have written? Because you keep writing so much. In lockdown also, you have done some nice small couplets you have written.
Yes, I will speak about this Gopi Chali Naina Dhali. Like she is in.
But I want it like, because you have sung also, so you can sing that also for us.
Just 2-3 lines. गोपी चाली नैना ढाळी श्याम सुंदर ना निशान शोधती ओ वालरी रेणू छुपा विश्व श्याम चरण तूले जे माळा मोती. This gopi is in love with Shyam, so she is going, and on her path finding Shyam, she is trying to see the footprints, and she is talking to them that if you want you can take my necklace of pearl, but dust you don't go away with the wind and finish those imprints of my Lord. I'm going in search of him. But she is in so much of love and afraid of the society. So first her eyes are down on first curve. Then second curve,
You tell people what you've written, so then you can explain.
બીજી શેરીએ પલકો ઉંચકી સામે જોયા પનઘટને પાણી ગાગરને પૂછ્યું શું આજે નટખટી કંકર ના મારી. She saw the pots intact, so she realized that Shyam has not gone through here, otherwise its pots cannot be intact. He must have broken at least one of someone's. So she moves further. ત્રીજે વળાકે પોપચારે ઉંચક્યા લાજ મૂકી નયન ફેરવ્યા યમુના કાંઠે અલીરાજ મળ્યા રોકીએ ને શ્યામના સગડ પૂછ્યા કહી દો રસિકન સાથી કહી દો રસિકન સાથી કેણી और गया आजीवन माणी. She forgot who's looking at me, or I'm supposed to be behave in certain manner only. She started looking here and there, and she sees one bee. So she tells that bee that you both are companion. Where is he? You are here. Where is he? She is asking Yamuna river. She pleads on fourth curve. She pleads Yamuna river, Kadam Vruksh, whatever you want, you take it. But please tell me where my Shyam is. Where do I find him? Where he has gone? And when she surrenders this way, pleading everyone and gives everything, surrenders, and that time she says, ભવો ભવ રહું ઋણી તમારી કોઈ તો બતાવો મને મુરારી. અને આમ જ્યાં એણે કર જોડી વિનવ્યા માધવે આવી બાહુ પકડ્યા હવે ગોપીના નેણા નાચ્યા મન મુસ્કાયા રુદિયા ડોલ્યા. She found him.
Wow. Lovely.
So for path of life, dharma, arth, kam and moksha.
So this is available on YouTube. We
Yes.
can, yeah,
Yes,
okay, great.
Maybe people can type Jashrekha and they will come to know this Gopi Chali Naina Dhali.
Lovely, excellent.
And on this, with the public around, everyone around us, you have promised me that when I prepare to print the books, you will help me with the line drawings.
Okay, yes.
That project we have to do together.
Sure,
You are-
100%.
You are going to be my inspiration and help me to select which poems I can print. I should.
One more thing, even when coming to Tulika Art Center, you have learned to stay happily with cats,
Yes.
coexistence with cat, right? So that people will definitely want to know, because most people are scared of cats and dogs, and everyone knows that we have many cats and dogs in our house, and cats do come in class, and first day class is always taken by cats. So
like ragging?
No, I would not say that. But yes, sometimes you do get startled when you are deep in your thought, you are thinking something. Maybe they feel something from you. I feel that I think that was Blackie, one shiny black cat we were having.
Silky,
Silky.
silky.
Yeah, maybe I was in deep thought doing something, sitting on floor. On those years, I was sitting on floor and doing it. She suddenly came and jumped in my lap, slept there, and started playing. And you know Speedy. When I wish Speedy,
Speedy.
like I'm also a bit crazy. I wish all of them Jai Shri Krishna and all that. So whenever I wish Speedy, he will come, and sometimes even he's not in frown mood, he would want me to
Pet
pet
him.
him and all that. And once you had told me about mystic parts of cat,
Yes.
and I shared that with you that when once I came to class and I was very much in pain, and how
Yeah.
Speedy came and like he
He
started
touched the same spot where you were having pain.
yes,
He started
nibbling.
licking you,
Yeah,
nibbling.
licking, and as if he was eating something from there on my clothes. He didn't hurt me. I was not
Yeah,
scared, but he was there for quite few minutes, 2-3 minutes. He was there, and
yeah,
then he went.
yeah. And then the pain has gone.
Pain has gone. And that time I
So
had
we
come
do,
to you after my CT and my ultrasound and everything.
yes. So yeah, because see, cats and dogs are see, we have to always know that nature has so many surprises for us. Nature has so many mysteries which we don't know. Yeah, they are natural
Natural.
healers, Payal. Yeah, I will send you some details about what all things happened. But here it is not the place to discuss. But yes, but nature is always mysterious. What is there, we don't know. And we are unnecessarily making children scared of coexistence with
Cat.
the animal.
Yeah, animals,
You
yes.
know? Yeah. So when we were children, we were not so scared as now children are scared of getting closer to animals. They are just in their four walls, children. Children should come out because this is the time we should not make unnecessarily fear psychosis in children. So this is what when children come to Tulika Art Center, most of the time they are more interested in talking to Nano and Speedy and others, and then they are interested in my drawing painting. That's what the mothers say, that coming home they have 1 hour special talks about what is happening at Tulika Art Center with cats, and they are more curious about cats.
Yeah, like you said, we all must learn coexistence. When people were
Yes,
sharing that because of lockdown, this happened, that happened, the spotted deers have come on road, dolphins started floating. So at least we should understand that we are the culprits. We are
we are the culprits.
encroaching. We
True.
are encroaching. Like we say that
Yes.
my land is encroached by so and so. Human is not encroaching only on human land, we are encroaching their world as well, and that too
Very
very
true.
badly.
Yes. True.
This is so many things I learned after coming there also, when they all were so many cats in one house, 4 to 5 dogs at a time. Many times I have asked you that, Didi, don't they fight when you are not around? You must. I always keep asking you that, don't they find, how do you control so many of them? We have difficulty of controlling our 2 to 4 kids. And there you are controlling so many of them. I think 28, 30 approx.
Yes.
Yeah, so it is a great job.
True. So this is what we have. Coexistence also is taught apart from art, craft, and all.
And don't miss,
Yes.
not to throw anything.
Yes.
Best out of west from everything. Use of every single thing which is not in use for common people. You will
Yes.
you will make them around and they will have some purpose in life.
Yes, yes. You know that that one has to learn.
Yes.
Yes. Unnecessarily, and that use and throw culture is also really harming our environment.
Yes.
See, because in between it had so much, like people don't want to wash anything. They just want to use glass, throw it. Use plate, throw it. We used to wash always, isn't it? So that washing and everything, cleaning and keeping back, even we have parties always in the past also. We used to have a lot of cutlery and a lot of plates, but now use and throw. So we have harmed environment really in bad way. So now what we are getting back from environment and nature, now we have to at least respect. So
We
now we are
we
talking about, yeah,
even we used
lot,
to use and throw, but those were patrali, made from the
yes,
leaves.
which will
Yeah,
go into the, yeah,
biodegradable.
naturally, yes, manure.
Yeah.
Now thing is that lockdown period, can you tell me what all things you did in the last 3 months? Did you
Uh,
do some painting, drawing, or you just kept on like me, cleaning my house? I used to do no creative. I did not do anything creative,
Same here,
to
ma'am.
be
I
frank with
I
you.
could not do much, but a little bit of writing and singing and like
You are
making
lucky.
making songs on Corona and all that. I could do it, but
Acha.
painting. That is why when you yesterday started online class, everyone was knowing that mom is going to be busy 3:30 to 5. So they planned themselves around me, not with me. So
Here, can you see someone?
yeah, yes.
Yeah. So, yeah. So, online class, you enjoyed? It was okay?
Yes, it was very good idea, and that haldi healing effect of haldi, like we invited uh, Lord Son Aditya Narayan in the first place with that Surya
Yes.
mantra, and it was very good, and especially after all these months, so much time when we don't remain away from Tulika classes, so it was a great experience.
Good. So, I think we should keep doing it more
Yes,
in future.
regularly.
Yes. Yes. So, what you want to say about your family? Because see, Nainesh Bhai came, but what about your sons? What they are doing and how they are supportive of your work and your two daughters-in-law, beautiful two young girls,
Uh, Elder one is radiologist Dr. Pathir.
lovely.
Younger one Jai, he is MBA entrepreneur, and he is in business with Ninesh. And when I got married, I was very shocked the first day after my marriage, first day at my in-laws' house. I could not accept the fact that I had to leave everything, each and everything, person, everything behind me and go to a new house. Like one plant is taken out from one pot and replanted. That type of
True.
shock it was. And then when I conceived, I prayed, Lord, that I want son, so that daughter will come in my house, which I will not have to give away to anyone.
How sweet.
So, and he gave me his mercy, his grace, and I got two sons, and now I have two daughters, and they are beautiful souls, both of them. I don't know whether, as mother, how much I have been able to prove myself or what they feel, but they are definitely my daughters, giving different angle to my son from female points of view. They keep teaching them, they keep talking on my behalf. So I'm really happy with four of them. It's a wonderful experience, and at the time of both of them wedding, I bow down to both their parents, like Saloni's parents and Vinati's parents. I bow down and thanked them to give me their grown up daughter.
Now we are coming to an end
Yes.
and only 7 seconds left. So say goodbye to all.